I just received my May Glam Box and BoxyCharm, and I cannot wait to see what I got, so let's get right into it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're jumping right in with the Glam Bag. The first product is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. This is a multitasking formula that gives hair a daily dose of vitamins and nutrients with 10-in-1 benefits in a magical little bottle. I love that. This is so exciting. I cannot wait to use this. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, okay, so this is the Glass Skin TANGHULU Multivitamin Serum by OLIVIAUMMA in the strawberry and tangerine scent. I'm very excited because this is some Korean skincare. So this is supposed to rejuvenate and brighten your skin with some vitamin C, ooh, vitamin A, B, and E, all the vitamins. Let's smell it. Okay, it is giving strawberries and tangerines. Lovely finish just on my hand. You can't really tell, but ooh, I'm excited about this. Okay, next up is more skincare. This is the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. You know I love a good cleansing balm. I love the smell. Smells so good. This is like buttery smooth. Look, just putting my finger in it. Oh, wow. Oh, I cannot wait. Ooh, yes. Okay, we're moving into makeup. This is the SERAPHINE Botanicals Marshmallow Blush. Look how pretty. Okay, let's do a little swatch. I love a pink blush. Ooh, I love that. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to use it in the summer with a little sun-kissed look. This is in the shade Ballet Shoes. Okay, last but not least in the Glam Bag, this is the KVOSSNYC Luxurious Lipstick in the color Gramercy. Ooh, I love it already. Look at how pretty that color is. So pretty. Let's swatch it on the hand. So pretty. This was such a good Glam Bag. I couldn't ask for anything better. Let's get into the BoxyCharm. Can you even believe this? I am so excited about this. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. So this is a tinted serum in the shade Sun Glow, and you're supposed to use this as the final step in your skincare routine to give you that beautiful sun-kissed, glowy, tanned look. I would understand that the color can be pretty daunting. I was a little like, this is not my shade, but it's just a tinted serum. It's not supposed to change the color of your skin entirely. It's supposed to give it a nice tint. So it has a very sheer consistency, very glowy, very pretty. I will be using this all summer, starting tomorrow. All right, next up is the BLINC Amplified Tubing Mascara. Now, if you've never tried a tubing mascara, they are different than your regular schmegular mascara. The tubing mascaras are ultra long wearing. They are meant to lengthen the lash, add more volume, but they don't really respond in the same way regular mascaras do to sweat and oil and other things. So they're really, really ideal for sweat, tears, sensitive eyes, and oily skin. I have heard so many good things about this particular mascara, so I'm very excited to try it. Y'all, I cannot contain my excitement about this. I cannot wait to use this. This is the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. I have heard so much about this product. If you can't tell, I am in my blow dry era, so this is much needed. It is a protective volumizer that shields from heat and humidity on all hair types. Let's give it a smell. Yo, this smells so good. I can't wait, especially going into the warmer months. My hair has been struggling with humidity and sweat, so this is perfect. Okay, next up is the Dibs Beauty Go-To Glossy Balm. Ooh. Okay, first off, it smells beautiful. It is just what they described. It is definitely a glossy balm. It doesn't feel like lip gloss, but it also doesn't feel like lip balm. It's a perfect hybrid. I love a good lip product, okay? I love a good lip. And last but certainly not least, this is the PURLISSE Glow Revival Facial Oil. This is supposed to promote skin elasticity and helps even out your skin tone. Just look at that packaging. So this contains algae oil, violet leaf oil, oolong, which is camellia, and rice seed oil. Ooh, I cannot wait to try it. We're gonna give it a sniff test. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything, which is actually very good for skincare. It's so pretty. Cannot wait to have it sit on my vanity and use it every day. Cannot wait. Yay! This was such a good month. I can't wait to use these, and I can't wait for y'all to try them as well. Subscribe to Glam Bag and BoxyCharm using the link in the description, and make sure you like this video, comment your favorite product below, and subscribe to the channel to stay in the know. Bye!